Chug this Coke without burping for 10 bucks.
$10? The whole thing?
Whole thing without burping, 10 bucks.
Okay, so the thing is, we're ballet majors and we're going to rehearsal right now.
Perfect. Pre-game.
Can we split it?
You guys can split it. If you both don't burp, I'll give it to you and you guys can split the 10.
Okay.
Okay.
$10 is on the line. All right, here we go.
Wait, I need to stop laughing really quick.
Drinks is so fancy.
What are we gonna do with our $10?
Get time limit here. Oh.
Go.
Done.
Good job, guys.